What is going on, blessed people? My name is like Chris, or you can call me Chris. So, another day, another budol. Hi everyone! Today's video is isi-search na purchase natin sa Fear God Essentials. So, without further ado, so unbox natin. Hindi ko na pala siya i-unbox kasi tawag nito, um, nas, nakuha ko na siya sa paper bag kasi nga, supposedly i-unbox ko siya today, tinanggal ko na siya sa supot and everything. But ito yung kaunahang basta. So this is the Fear God Please crew neck sweater. So ito siya guys. Ayan. It's super nice kasi alam nyo guys is big shout out to Yon. Hi Yon. So nag-purchase kasi ako ulit. Kasi I have this one then again. Binigay ko kay Yon. And for this one naman kasi is, pinili ko yung medyo mas malaki. Kasi yun siya is medium size but I choose the large size. Kasi ang ganda nung fit or bagsak pag medyo bulky or malaki. Pwede mo siyang ganito and something. Kaya, so shout out to yun. But back to this is the Essential Fleece Crew Neck Sweater from Essentials. Fear God. The color is olive. Kaya siya tinatawag na crew neck is because of this one. Actually, nasubukan ko na siya kanina. And look at the color. Ayan. Yung olive na color and the olive din na or the army green na pants. Super matchy. So this is the one. It's super nice and my size is large for this one. Very expensive din, but laban lang. Kasi yung hilig ko talaga kayo sa essential. Look at the back. Also the one. And hindi naman siya masyadong makapal. Sakto lang, pare lang din siya dito. And yun lang. And gaya ng sinasabi ko, huwag magtipid, magsipag, enjoy shopping everyone. Bye!